In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix ChatGPT Chats Missing. Let's get started. First thing to do is try refreshing your account session. Click on your profile icon, select logout, then wait for a few minutes and log in back. If your chats still are missing, click your profile icon again, go to settings, then head over to the option data controls, check whether chat history and training is turned on. If this setting is disabled, your conversations won't appear in the sidebar. While you are in data controls, click archive chat and then manage. If your missing conversation has been archived, simply select it and choose on archive to move it back to your chat history. Another thing to check is whether you are signed into the correct account. If you previously used ChatGPT while logged out or logged into a different account, although chats won't appear under your current account. Make sure you are logged into the same account you originally used. Next up, you can check the server status of ChatGPT. For that, navigate to this website, status.openai.com. Expand this ChatGPT section. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. Finally, if the issue is browser related, head back to ChatGPT, click on three dots, go to the option settings, click on privacy and security. Now navigate to the option site settings, click on view permission. Now search for ChatGPT or OpenAI, click on the trust icon for it and confirm the deletion. And that's it. This is how you can easily fix missing chat in ChatGPT. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.